Okay, so I've looked all over the internet for shifter stuck in park. Works some of the times. This is a 2015 Nissan ROUGE SV, I believe, all-wheel drive. Yep. And the problem I have is some of the times you can shift out of park, but most of the times you can't. I'm going to give you a little short video here. This little cover here pops up real easy. And when you look inside here, give me just a sec. There's this thing that you push down. Let me push it with the screwdriver. Everyone knows how to emergency fix it with the key pushing in the slot. But all the key does is push this down. And if you'll notice, right here, there's a little tab that engages over here that keeps you from shifting it. I imagine now in retrospect, you could just really jam the shifter hard and break it. It's just this little bitty tab right here that holds it from shifting. There's switches and stuff down there, but I haven't got any trouble codes, so I don't think it's that big of an issue. So what I'm gonna do, this is an experiment. I don't suggest anyone else try it. I'm gonna break that little piece off right there that keeps this plastic from disengaging the shifter. So I'm going to take a little pause. I'm going to break it off. I'm doing this to my own car. I don't recommend you do it for safety reasons, or it might cause some other problem that I don't know of. But the shifter cable assembly is $900, and I don't want to pay that. So I'll take a little pause here, and then I will let you know how it works. Now, a little update before I disable this. You'll notice if I push down on here, right about that point, there's a little catch. So the solenoid works most of the time, but not all the time. So I don't know what the catch is. I believe it's a factory defect. But you can see right there, it stops. And if I push a little bit harder, it clears. So that mechanism down there, ungodly, unnecessary. And when I disable that, the problem is you're going to be able to put it in neutral without pushing on the brake pedal. You still can't just grab the lever and shift it. You still have to push the button. You have to push this button right here. See, it won't shift. But if I disable that, even with the ignition not on, you'll be able to shift it into neutral. I remember old cars that used to do that. I guess the government mandated this safety feature, which in my opinion, I don't have any kids and I don't need to worry about it, is not necessary. So I'm just gonna take matters into my own hands and disable this conglomerate, unnecessary, probably $500 add-on to the car that I don't need.